The modeling and understanding landslide events in Baguio, La Trinidad, Itagon, Sablan, Tuba, Tublai, or Mulat Blist is a DOST-funded research program aiming to increase disaster resilience in accordance with RA 10121, the Philippine Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Act of 2010, and the UN 2030 Sustainable Development Goal. It also aims to strengthen evidence-based decision-making with regards to the execution of landslide-related rehabilitation and mitigation measures, urban planning, and environmental impact assessment. Up to 80% of the nation's total land area, according to the Mines and Geoscience Bureau, is landslide-prone, ranking the nation as the fourth most susceptible to landslide danger internationally. Landslides are common during the wet season, especially during the southwest monsoon and tropical cyclone activity. To address this issue, the Mulat Blist program aims to collect, collate, and systematically organize available landslide data into a database, integrate available landslide data into a Geographic Information System, GIS, identify the influential factors of landslides, generate landslide susceptibility maps, identify rainfall patterns prior to landslide occurrence, document indigenous knowledge associated with landslides, and generate indicative rainfall thresholds for possible use in an early warning system. The research program is a partnership between 4 cooperating agencies, namely University of the Philippines Baguio, University of the Cordilleras, University of Baguio, and the Mines and Geosciences Bureau, MGB-CAR. The research program has also forged partnerships with the 6 municipalities of the Blist region and 2 partner agencies, Namria and Pagasa, through Memorandum of Agreements. To understand the occurrences of landslides, the team are conducting field surveys across the Blist region, assessing and validating landslide areas, collecting and collating available data, assessing vegetation cover, collecting soil sample, and capturing aerial photographs using drone equipment. The team also gathers data available on annual rainfall in the region over time to investigate trends and patterns in order to produce indicative rainfall thresholds for evidence-based decision-making. Vegetation and soil are also being studied to better understand landslide occurrences in the area. The availability of recent high-resolution satellite imagery and access to GIS software, Google Earth Pro, and statistical software, more detailed landslide inventories, landslide susceptibility maps, vulnerability and risk maps may be generated following appropriate methods. Indigenous knowledge contributes valuable and useful knowledge in responding to complex environmental challenges such as landslides. The research program aims to incorporate indigenous and local knowledge in conservation and sustainable use of biodiversity and ecosystems. Indigenous concepts, skills, and practices could inform and significantly enrich risk assessment and communication aspects of landslide mitigation and resilience programs. The annual occurrences of landslides in the region have caused injury, death, damage to property, agriculture and infrastructure, and disruption of economic activities. As such, the need for updated and higher resolution landslide hazard and susceptibility maps is imperative to guide efforts in search of better practices for hazard mitigation. This can be accomplished by combining scientific progress and the wisdom of local and indigenous knowledge. And together, we can be safer,